If you're experiencing billing issues on YouTube, it's important to address them promptly to ensure uninterrupted access to your services. Follow these steps to resolve your billing problems effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Log into your YouTube account and navigate to the settings. Under the billing section, verify that your payment method is up to date and that there are no issues with your credit or debit card. Step 2. Review billing history. In the billing section, review your billing history for any discrepancies or unexpected charges. This will help you identify the source of the problem and prepare for any necessary discussions with customer support. Step 3. Update billing information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update your billing information. Ensure that all details, including the card number, expiration date, and billing address, are accurate to avoid future issues. Step 4. Contact YouTube support. If you cannot resolve that issue on your own, reach out to YouTube support. Use the Help Center to find the appropriate contact method, whether it be through chat, email, or phone, and provide them with all relevant details regarding your billing problem. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account and billing statements for the next few months. This will help you ensure that the problem has been fully resolved and that no further issues arise. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems you may encounter on YouTube. Remember to stay proactive about your account to avoid future complications.